Well, hello, folks. We're down here for a week. This is, I guess, second week of April. Absolutely gorgeous day down here. Actually, the week is going to be awesome. So I'm going to be busting ass on the roof here. I've already removed a bunch. So I've taken off basically 8 feet of sheathing on the northwest side of the roof. And I'll be trying to take off 8 feet of this roof all the way down and put up a temporary roof hopefully tomorrow and out of here Friday. So it's a lot of work, but got to do it before I go so that the place is ready for weather. Let's crack on. right, folks, so I didn't film the building, but I got the temporary roof up. So I'm going to try and give you an idea of how big this damn thing is. So basically this is 8 feet wide that I added, and the full width of the house. So 32 feet wide, which is what, 240 square feet or so of temporary roof. And now it's time to button it up, put it on all the plastic and the tarp, and get ready for the weather. So next time I come down, basically I'll go to the other side of that, just to the other side of that bump out here. That'll be another 8 feet. So basically I've torn off 40% of the roof, and got 24 feet to go. And man, is it a bitch. I'm really pushing it to get this done in time in the 3 days that I really have. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I got everything covered up. I put a silver tarp down. It's two tarps that are 19 by 15 or 16. And so we're covering up all of this side area, this facing area of the gable of the temporary roof. And then however far it goes into there, it probably runs past the rope right there. And then maybe even, yeah, past the rope. And then there's a 10-foot tarp or plastic sheet underneath the canvas tarp that drapes over and basically lands under the rope. But probably the least coverage is at least 2 sheets of plastic. So these are two 20 by 20 canvas tarps, and they're going to move toward the street. And then I'll be covering the rest with these silver tarps as I go. So right now, this silver tarp doesn't have any UV exposure, so that's good. But as the green tarp shifts toward the street, this will get exposed more and more and more as I remove more and more roof. Anyway, I'm beat. I got to get home, go to dinner with some friends, and finally pulled this off. That was a big deal. Anyway, time to pack up tools and get home.